Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by choosing 1 to 3 habits that are tiny and specific. You want momentum, not overwhelm. Once done, open the app and create each habit with a clear action and time. Make sure to set reminders so you get nudged when it matters. Grant the app notification and background permissions now so reminders arrive reliably. This first step locks in daily practice and builds consistency, which is why you start small and automate reminders to remove friction. You now refine how the app tracks progress. Choose frequency and set targets that match your life, daily, weekdays, or every third day. Once set, learn the fastest way to log: single tap check, swipe, or a home screen widget. Speed prevents dropped logs. Also configure streak and progress visuals so they motivate you. Add short notes when needed to capture context. These middle steps convert intention into routine by reducing friction and supplying feedback that encourages repetition. You finish by reviewing and adjusting. Once a week, scan trends to see what's working and change times or targets as needed. If a habit repeatedly fails, simplify it, reduce frequency, break it into smaller steps, or change the cue. Make sure to back up or export data if the app supports it. If reminders stop working, check notification permissions, battery optimization settings, and re-enable background refresh. Reinstalling the app is the last resort to restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.